So big hole, big peg, a little hole, little peg on top. Two-sided tape's already applied.
Is it already applied?
Yep, we already got two-sided tape applied here and there. We're looking good.
Yeah, and then
Lift up to the top and pull the carrier sheet off, nice and gentle. And
Where's another?
I
don't know where it's available.
there's top shelf. There we go.
here's the number 1 line.
Have you already exposed yours? Okay.